Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from FRI 0.047. We will present the results of our work for practicing business planning and facility layout. First of all, we will introduce ourselves. My name is Muhammad Farul Afif.
Okay, my name is Ayuniar Salsabila Putri.
Then I, Babamir Ferzani Harari.
The presentation will be continued by my partner, named Ayuniar Salsabila Putri. For Ayuniar Salsabila Putri, please continue.
Okay, the first business overview. CV VAR 47 is a manufacturer company that produces waste-free cutting boards. Waste-free cutting board is a small cutting board industrial tool that has 5 functions in one tool. Factory CV VAR 47 is located on Raya Cimindi, Cimahi, West Java. CV VAR 47 is located on Raya Cimahi and has a vision and mission of the company. That slide is organization structure CV VAR 47. And next, segmenting, targeting, positioning, analysis. Marketing mix. Because CV VAR 47 produce good waste-free cutting board, there are 4P marketing analysis. First place, second product, third price, fourth promotion. And then CV VAR 47 has a marketing strategy and plan. So for marketing plan, CV VAR 47 promotes its products via the Facebook, Instagram, while offline promotes through the bazaar. Marketing plan consists of situation analysis. Situation analysis can use SWOT analysis. So this is SWOT analysis for CVVAR 47. First, strength. Strength consists of made from quality material and safe to use, has different features, and can make it easier for its user, and that are far more efficient compared to existing product. And then weakness. Weakness consists of product price are so relative expensive product distribution that is not carried out on a massive scale. And third, opportunities. Opportunities consist of clear market segment, product in their fields there is not much competition with similar product. And threats consist of product are easy imitated to competitors. Top class segmentation makes product sales is so narrow. And next, the slide production planning. Beginning for demand forecasting. Demand forecasting calculation are obtained from the estimated number of values in the period T on the smallest types on forecasting method calculation MSA, mean square error. In the forecasting method calculation method with the smallest MSA. And second, this table for sales target based on failed survey. The table side of in the percentage free cutting board sales target increasing. And third, this is table for production volume. Production volume, the table beside is calculation for production volume of waste free cutting board production with an increasing of production volume plan of 1% each year.
Okay, here's the chart below is the organizational structure for our company after the recruitment. Next. And then we have a table for forecasting supply resources needed for our company after recruitment. In total, 11 positions. And in the right, we have the recruitment poster for hiring some new position in our company. Okay, next we have cost marketing estimation calculation, which total is listed on the table. And then we have the direct labor cost planning for each year that listed on the table. Okay, next we have executive cost planning calculation and indirect cost planning, which each year is listed on the table. Then next we have estimated investment cost planning calculation, which total is listed on the table. After that, finally, we have estimated investment cost and depreciation cost for each year that listed on the table too. Okay, next we have my friend.
Next one is from the final projection is we have a product and operational costs with forecasting year from 2021 until 2025 with a total as listed on the table. And we have estimation of funding requirement and sources of fund. We have a installment calculation that have a total interest in 79,490,351. Next. In the next slide, we have a cost of goods sold, which is have a direct material cost and direct labor salary, and with total as listed on the table. And we have a calculation of product selling costs that forecast from 2021 and until 2025 also, and the total is listed on the table. The next one is we have a profit loss. Profit loss calculated by sales revenue and the total income, and we calculate the earning before interest and tax, and we calculate the interest expense too, estimate before tax, and we have a tax in 1%, and we have income after the tax, so it will be on the profit loss. Next one is the cash flow that have net cash flow in forecast from 2020 until 2025, and we have a total estimated cash inflow in 2025 total in 7,434,204,100, and we calculate the net cash flow, beginning cash balance and final cash balance. In 2025, we have a 3,329,554,969. We have balance sheet which is forecast by 2021 until 2025 also. We have a total liabilities and owner equities. In 2025, we have 3,692,778,785. The next one, we calculate the NPV and PBP, IRR and BCR. The NPV, we have a payback period in 4.05. In IRR, we have a 19% and 0.53%, and we have a BCR in 1.12. Yeah, for a feasibility analysis in raw material and sensitivity, the percentage of increase in raw material worth 6% with an NPV value of 5,070,700 and 88, and percentage of increase in raw materials value at 5% with an NPV value of 76,436,797. That the total NPV raw material costs are sensitive to increasing by 5.93%. In a selling price sensitivity, we have a percentage of increase in selling price for 10% with an NPV value of 18,977,158, and a percentage of increase in selling price value at 11% with an NPV value of 26,400,000 42,823. That the total NPV raw material costs are sensitive to increasing by 10%, 0.42. Next.
Okay, here we have distance calculation from supplier to company. That divided in 3 companies and 3 suppliers for each of them. There are Yuswood Alivio, Rahmat Jaya, and Niro Granite Showroom for the suppliers. And Company A, CV 1, Company B, CV 2, and Company C, CV 3 for the companies. Now, I have 10 factors divided by 2 points, which is qualitative and quantitative, for the site selection with factor rating in 3 alternative. Next. And then we have normalization in 3 different areas. Then we have chosen the best location for our company, which is Cimahi.
And routine sheet, based on the table beside, the number of actual machine in the CVFAR 47, there are 23 units. This is a table of maximum stacking. From the table above, it is known that the combination chosen is WLH, HWL, and WHL. The most optimal amount of delivery time is 1,681 when the unit lot is 37. The time generated is lower than we use. The unit lot used is 1. Number of MHA used when the unit lot used is 37 is 4. Number of frequency of delivery for each process is 1. Based on the table beside and below, the total area for the production floor is 166, and then the total area of production floor area plus additional facilities is 1,399 meter. And meanwhile, the total area for office CVRAF 47 is 22 meter.
Okay, the next one we talk about FTC costs. FTC costs are obtained from MHC design at each of its work station. The total cost of the FTC is 3,002 359.26. The next one we have initial layout. Point 1, initial layout production floor plus additional facility. And the next one we have initial layout of CV 47 as displayed on the presentation. And the third one we have a list of facility initial and their facility name. Yeah, the next one is about final layout. Final layout after iteration 3, then 2 department. The conclusion we have is final layout for CV 47 is final layout after 3, then 2 department because the cost is low due to its close distance after being tested in the WinKSB software. We have a total cost in 1,175,000 and 477,000.78, and the final layout display on the presentation. Okay, that's the whole presentation from FRI 47 with name CVFAR 47. We hope the explanation from our presentation can be understood clearly. And if there are a mistake from word mistake from our word, we have to apologize to you all. And wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.